It's a 2018 Honda Fit. No matter what your cargo carrying needs are, this Honda will make it fit. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, leather and metal look steering wheel, streaming audio, air conditioning, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, 2 USB ports, and continuously variable automatic transmission. The Car Connection finds it makes the best use of its small footprint. It's more appealing outside and in, and it earns the best crash test scores of any small hatchback, not to mention exceptional fuel economy. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.